This used to be me.
I'm not your average American. Niggas see me and they swear that they see me.
These are 5 diet tips for skinny guys trying to bulk up fast. You're struggling to gain weight no matter how much you eat, and you're like, damn, you're not putting on no size, you're not putting on no weight. I'm gonna show you how to bulk up fast without getting fat. These 5 diet tips will help you bulk up fast without getting fat. So what I'm gonna tell you is, you have to eat more often. 3 meals a day won't cut it for a skinny guy. You have to do the bodybuilding style. Eat 4 to 6 times a day. I know this shit is tough, but that's what you gotta do. You have to spread your calories out so it's easy to hit your total. So this is how I'm gonna break it down. Think meals plus snacks plus shakes. You know what I mean? That's gonna help you hit your total, all right? Meals plus snacks plus shakes is you're gonna hit your total that way, all right? Those shakes are definitely gonna help, you know? Remember, track your calories. If you're not tracking your calories, guess what? You're guessing. And if you're guessing, it's a possibility you're not getting enough calories in to even put on the muscle mass that you want to. You have to track your calories. What you're gonna do is aim for your body weight times 18 minus 20 in calories. If you're not gaining weekly, increase your calories 300 to 500 calories. And what you need to do is add calorie dense foods, okay? You wanna pack on the calories without feeling full and bloated. That bloated feeling just slows everything down. You know, you feel, you get the itis, you know? You wanna go to sleep. And that's not what we want to do. We want to be able to still function. We want to still be active. So why don't you try peanut butter oats smoothie with peanut butter, oats, I would say a banana, protein powder, and if you want to go crazy, did I say peanut butter? All right. If you want to go crazy, right? You're really struggling, add 2 scoops of ice cream. I'm gonna tell you that right now. Yes, it's fattening, but it's gonna give you that muscle mass. Don't be scared of carbs. I know people tell you stay away from carbs, but remember, carbs are fuel. Carbs are gonna give you that energy to push harder in the gym, all right? So you gotta remember, you need those carbs. Carbs are fuel. Don't shy away from carbs. Yes, too much carbs might not be good for you, but enough carbs, okay? And what you will be doing to know it's enough is tracking your intake with MyFitnessPal. And yo, listen, you're lucky. You know why? You're trying to put on mass, you're trying to put on weight. So guess what you could do? You could eat carbs with every meal. You know, the spaghetti and all that shit, rice, you could have all of that. So incorporate it. Those carbs are gonna help you train harder and recover faster. So definitely incorporate the carbs, they're necessary. And remember, you're bulking, so be consistent even on your rest days. So you gotta remember, bulking isn't just a training thing. It's not something that, oh, I can just get done just in the gym. No, this is 7 days a week. Okay, this is every single day. This is something that's done in the kitchen. Yes, you're gonna train hard, you're gonna train heavy, you're gonna progressive overload, but you have to remember, you got to get down those 6 meals a day, even on your off days. Okay, those are the most important days. So remember, eat big every single day. Make sure you're getting enough sleep. All right, 7 to 9 hours of sleep will definitely help you recover quicker. So you remember, you build muscle while you're sleeping, while you're resting. Get those 7 to 9 hours of sleep. It's necessary. Get the naps in between to make up if you can't get the whole 9. Remember, stay on track. Don't skip meals on the weekend because it's your off day of training. You still need to eat, okay? You got to get those meals down. Skinny guys can bulk up as well. As long as you go, as hard as you going in the gym right now on building that mat, or building those muscles, you got to go hard in the kitchen as well. So that's just what that is. You gotta eat. So if you like this type of content, make sure you like, comment, please subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Let's get this channel to 100,000 subscribers. Peace.
Start now, it's never too late.